What's up guys? You are watching QSQ Technology YouTube channel. Vivo is releasing a high-end phone of the series. The smartphone has a best camera setup, big battery, and the RAM of the handset qualify it to the upper category. The smartphone will be powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9200 plus 4nm chipset. The chipset is really a high quality that will produce a high-end performance. And there will be a 3.35 GHz octa-core processor. The RAM has three options, 8, 12 and 16 GB. The phone is packed with 256 and 512 GB of internal storage, and there is no option for SD card. Display will be AMOLED with 120Hz refresh rate, 4500 nits peak brightness, and size will be 6.78 inches and resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels. The device is fueled with a 5500 mAh big battery to ensure enough power. On the back of the Vivo S19 Pro, you will find a triple camera setup. The main sensor of the camera setup is 50 megapixel wide. The secondary sensor is also 50 megapixel telephoto. And the third sensor is the 8 megapixel ultra wide. The new phone is having a 50 megapixel front camera with dual LED flash. There is an under-display optical fingerprint reader. And at the last, the price will be 455 United States dollars. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel. Thanks.